Have you ever cropped a photo and the quality dropped a little? Don't worry, there's a feature in the Gallery app that can fix that automatically. On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung includes a detail enhancer feature inside Gallery setting. When this enabled, it will upscale or add detail when you crop, remaster, or change the key image of a motion photo. To do so, open Gallery app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, then tap Setting. Under Editing section, tap Detail Enhancer. Here you will see three choices: maximum, minimum, and off. As the example, let's choose maximum. It's perfect when you crop photos often and want the result to stay sharp. And that's how you use detail enhancer, especially with the maximum option. It's extremely helpful if you edit photos a lot and want the highest possible quality even after cropping or remastering. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.